Hey guys, this is Kolkata Bike Ravi here. Today I am going to give you the user review of this bike. So guys, you all know what bike it is. So this is the all new Bajaj V for Vikrant, and you all know that this bike is made by the INS Vikrant Vikrant. So this is very popular bike in those days. So I am going to give you the user review of this bike. This is a bike of my friend who has given me to do a blog. So you can see that bike is really a good, and the color combination and the build quality is top notch. So let's begin. So you can see that the bike's color, the exhaust portion, the shocker and the side panel, all color combination is really good. And the color combination with the fiber body is really matched up. And you can see that the bike this is the variant of single disc brake, and other variant has 2Ds in front and back in rear, 2Ds. And the instrumental cluster, you can see that there are two meter available, digital and analog, and you can see the tank shape and seat is really good. And the tail light, which I love very much, you can see that the LED tail light is really looks good. And you can see that the tank V logo, V for Vikrant V logo, is just cool. And the engine capacity is much high. I must say that the finishing touch of the tail portion is really good. And from the front, I don't like its face. I must say that I don't like its face. The front tire is really good. You can see that the stripes over there is really good. Front tire, and as well as the back also is really good. You can see that back tire stripe is same stripe which is in the front tire. And the back tire is really fat compared to the 150 segments other bikes. So, and you can see that the bikes look from the side portion much better than the front portion. And the unique thing of this bike is there is a fiber seat has given with this bike. By this fiber seat cover, you can make your bike a single seater bike. So you can see that there is a screw on the side portion of the seat, and by this screw you can fix the fiber seat cover over there, and you can make your bike single seater. So this is a unique thing for me. So came to the main point. So yesterday my friend and I went for a long drive to Kolkata. This is the Kolkata is about 70 km from Kolkata. So this bike is performs really good. I must say that it performed really good because 95 kilometer per hour the top speed till now. I think after second and third service it will grow up. So come to the mileage part. So I must say that this bike on the highway it gives 60 kmpl. So this is a very good, and in the city this gives 50 to 55 kmpl surely. So you can see that this bike is good for the mileage also. And there is no problem till now. The bike is 3 months old, and still now there is no problem, and no nothing problem is there. So I must say that this bike is really good for daily use or long use. But according to me, the pillion portion of this bike is bit low, so this is the problem for the tall rider. So the face of the bike and the tail section of the bike is a bit problem for me. Otherwise the bike is really good. So three colors available in India now. So this is the black red, and others are red black and white red. And the showroom price in Kolkata is quite around 66,000. So this is the video guys, hope you will enjoy. So please like and do subscribe for the next one. Drive safe, bye bye.